So hi guys, good day. So today we are going to design a kind of birthday flyer using the Pixellab and then the Snapseed for quality enhancement. So here's the interface of the Pixellab as we know. So I will go to here and then go to size. I will pick 968 as the dimension, and then the height I will leave it like that. So here is the canvas that we are going to use. So now I actually delete this. So I will go to gallery and then import the background that we will be using. Let me go. Where's my background? I somehow hide it here. I don't care. It should be this. So I will just expand it. I will expand it like this. So here is it. So what I will do now is I will actually go to gallery and then import the image that I will be using. So I'm using this. Let me use this. I'm using this. So I will actually increase this relative size to this. So here we go. So now I will go to shape. I want to fit the background here. This axis to be a kind of faded with the background. So I will just drag this shape, drag it, and then go to gradient. So I will actually drop a link on how to do this fading. But for now, I will just do it as if you guys actually know how to do it. So I will consider the fact that you actually know how to do that. So let me just do it like this. Let me just fade it like this. Yeah, here we go. So I will just lock the layer here. So what I will do now is I will actually go to gallery and then import the other image. So let me see where the other image. So this is my other image. Here we go with one. Here we go with one. I will just fix it toward here. And then go to gallery again and then pick out another one. So here's it. I will just pick this one and then make it like this, turn it off, and then I will just decrease the size. After decreasing the size, I will just put it toward this axis. So this is it. Let me just make this one to be here. So here we go. I will go to gallery again and import the other image. Here we go. So for those of you who doesn't know how to remove background, I will actually drop the link also on the description menu so that you can actually learn how to remove background from an image. So for this one, I will actually reduce the opacity because I don't want it to be that bold. Here we go with this. So now what I will do is I will just create a text and then write the text. Here is the comment that I'm using. I will go to font and then figure out a font. I just reduce this one, the size of this. So I will actually go to alignment and then put it like this and then this. So now I will go to here and then type design by Gaius Yusuf. Gaius. Design by use, I will just make it uppercase letters and then figure it out to what here. I will reduce the size and then go to spacing. So I just believe that all of us are familiar with the app. So if you are not familiar with the app, I will drop a link on the description menu so that you can actually go to the introductory part of the Pixellab. So here we go. I will just leave it like this. So now what will happen is I will actually put this bells. Yeah. I will actually put it towards here. And then for the font, I'm going to use a different font now. I'll use this. Bibbles. Yeah. Let me use this. Yep. You can actually go to the font and then download the fonts. For those of you who doesn't have the fonts, because I will not go leave them here. So here we go. I will just write 0. Sorry. Let me just disconnect my data. Sorry. Pen. Is this a spelling? Yeah, sure. So let me just go to font and then I will pick Newton regular as the font because we actually use this initially. So I will just decrease the size. I'll fix it to what here. Yeah, to what here. And then I'll just figure it out, yeah. And then yeah. So now what will happen is I will go to text again and then write happy birthday. I'll write happy first. And then make it uppercase letter. So for this I will go to where I will go to this background and then I will pick this background. Remember that this one is basically different. For those of you who doesn't know how to do this, you can actually just create a shape and then put the writings on top of the shape. So here we go with this one. I will just put it like this. Let me just leave it at 10 for the left and the whatsoever fading. So I'll go to font and then pick Newton regular also, since we started with it. So I will go to spacing and then increase the spacing. And then for the size, let me just give the size to be like this. I will just copy it again and write Betty and then make it uppercase letter. So for this one I will just pick a kind of yellowish, yellow. No. The background should be yellow. Yeah, and then for the writing should be black. Yeah, and this is much good. So now what remains is I want something to come off like sabills. Yeah. So let me put this here. So and then uppercase letter, just drag them to here. Then I will just reduce the size to fit in. I just put it here. Yeah, sure. This is great. So I will just go to gallery and then import a kind of Wait, in my photo room I have something like this. I will fix this and then let's say 25th. Yeah, February. Let's fix it like this and then I'll just leave it like this, and then I'll actually copy this and then write something on top. I'll just write 25th. Sorry, let me just 5th February and then comma 2025. Yeah. So for this, I will just decrease the size and then decrease the size. Yeah, and then I will go to spacing. And then I will go to shadow. Just like should I put black shadow? Let me just leave it like this. Yeah. I think we are done. Yeah, we are done. Actually, we are done. So let me save my work. I need it to be ultra and then JPG. So we have actually saved our work here. So let me go to snapshot. So I will go and import the image here. So for this, I will go to pop. You see the image is looking more sharper. So I will go to tools and then go to color balance. Temperature should be a little bit like this, and I will go to tinted. Should I increase the size of this? So let me just make it like this. So I will go to this structure and then pick sharpening and then increase the sharpening very bold. Yeah, so I can actually like save my work. So thank you very much for your time. For those of you who doesn't subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do so that we can go along. Thank you very much. See you on the next tutorial. You can see this one is actually clean and then very sharp. This one is very sharp. So thank you very much. See you on the next class. Thank you.